Hey, good morning, traders. Sorry I'm a few minutes late this morning. It will happen again. It's going to happen, so don't worry. But we're going to be here as often as possible right here at 9 a.m. pre-market prep. And if not, we'll be just lagging a few seconds behind, a few minutes behind. But today we have a topic of our newsletter is Agritech, the future of farming, and what it can do for us, where we're going with the future of farming, and how it may be something that's going to be tradable in the future. So, one of the other things that we're looking at currently would be the S&P, and we have the S&P taking a dip. The SPY is giving you a little bit of a hard time, but it's been giving you a relentless run nonstop, 12, 14 days straight of just up, 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 up. And as Cardi B said, if it's up, then it's up, right? Or something like that. Or it's stuck, something like that. Well, it got stuck, and then now it's time to fall. So, if the market rolls over down and back to this 400 to 405 level, in between that 403 target, possibly, then it's going to be a dip to buy, I think, for the rest of the market. I think that the rest of the people out there, the market makers, the algos, are going to come in and they're going to buy on the dip. But you have to understand, what's a substantial enough dip? Is it 1.5%, 2.5%, 3% to get you to where you need to be? That's where we're at right now. That's what we're thinking may happen for the current future for the market. So we might see a 2 to 3% dip, maybe a buyback over the next 6 months. So be careful, watch what you're trading, learn where your risk management is going to be placed right away when you enter a trade, and always have a exit strategy for profit and for loss. So we're going to get you guys, remember, this is not going to we're not here to give you investment advice. We're not stock advisors. We're strictly giving you our opinion. So if you want to learn about stocks, if you want to learn about trading, risk rewards, options, whether they're going to expire out of the money and take all your profit away, take all your money away, should I be buying the shares? If you want to learn about these little small things that might help you, then boom, click that link in the description. If not, if you want the free stuff, subscribe, hit that like button, and continue coming here for our videos. If you hit that bell, it will ring and tell you when we're here every time. So let's get you to the newsletter right now and get you started for the day. I hope you folks are thirsty, because we've got your ET Morning Brew. Volume 2, Agritech, Future Farming. Land, hashtag, is the possible trade idea that we see here for the future for agriculture and ag tech. So if you're an agriculture specialist or thought idealist or a thinkist, right? If you're out there researching this stuff, this might be something that might resonate with you. Future farming is coming. We don't know exactly what that's going to pertain to for yields and production, but forward thinking, if we are advancing things, then it should be better for the farmers. Now, who's going to benefit the most from this? Is it going to be your mom and pop farms that are down here in the middle of Ohio, Kentucky? Are they going to be your big conglomerate companies, your big mega Tyson's chicken, things like that, people that are doing major farms out there for commercial industrial use? Are they the ones that are going to reap all the benefits, and is it going to hurt the farmers? We're going to dive into that and learn a little bit more, so I can give you guys a good report and feedback on what I feel is going to happen to the small farmers in the future. Right now, in my opinion, I think that small farms are going to go away for the most part, but they're still going to have their essential need here in the local areas where people go to their local farmers market, etc. So right now they're talking about lightweight vehicles, AI bots, solar, basically, charging the robot. The robot goes out and does the work, comes back, charges, goes back out, works, and it's researching data as it's out there working. So it's telling you, okay, this soil is rich in these nutrients, these ingredients. It's rich in this, and that. It needs this. It's time to turn this over, and it's going to give them a better turnaround when they're flopping the crops around, changing crops out, and when they are doing their soil research. So it's going to really help. I think Google is going to be a big play in this. I think they're going to have a lot of data bots out there or things of that nature that will take in the data that the bots are creating, and then using that data to help them make more corn or soybeans or whatever. Remember, this whole trading thing started with some tulips, some plants, some seeds, some food. So if you know the history behind trading, or if you're from what I know, the first bubble was off of a plant of tulips. You could buy a house for what you could buy a tulip for at one point. So, Bulls recap for yesterday, now today. So, the Bulls recap from yesterday. These were the Bulls on the list, guys. This is what, if you came into this newsletter, the 2 to 5, 6 people, 30 people, 60 people, 100 people, whoever watches this, smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe for these right here. Yesterday, you're up 7.78% if you bought RFP yesterday morning at the open and then sold at the close. You made 7.78% on one day on your stock. Clove, if you bought at the open, sold at the close, 9.64%. BAC, not as much of a gain, but still all positive. 4 for 4, guys. GFN, 0.11. BAC, 0.05. Pretty cool. Pretty good stuff. Glad to see us get a 4 for 4. 4 for 4. Call it Wendy's, baby. It's not Wendy's. It's Elite Trading Bulls Bears list. But we're not doing the Bears lately. We're taking the Bears off the table. We're focusing on the Bull plays only. And then we'll bring the Bears back on. Right now, the whole market's I'm kind of bearish the whole market. So I think it's better to find bulls for you in a down market, or even a uncontrolled bull market that is, some would say the ugliest bull market we've ever seen. So be careful out there. Bulls today, CRCT, KNL, KO. So CRCT, they're like the people that make those little cricket or circuit, whatever they're called. The little things that you can make shirts and build some custom designs and go over all your different things like that. Like you can press them and make shirts and then have a company and have some good, what is it called? Personalized goods that they're really bullish personalized goods section right now. So sector, they had 3 million in shares and volume with an average of 470,000. Always ringing my radar. BB telling me to get over there and look at that one. KNL, 28 million in volume average. 3 million. I don't do the math on that. What is it, like 70 times or something? You've got, or 10 times, whatever. I'm not a mathematician. I'm a trader. KO, we ain't stopping. Who out here drinks Coca-Cola? I don't, but I know people do. I drink Sprite, some Diet Coke every now and then, Dr. Pepper. I like my tea. Really big tea guy. But the pop isn't going anywhere. Soda pop ain't going nowhere. And when everything starts reopening or when everything starts closing down, they're either going to buy pop for home, or they're going to go buy pop at the store, or they're going to go to the drive-thru and buy pop there. So I'm bullish there. So I'm bullish the beverages. I'm bullish the personalized goods. Let's get this thing rocking and rolling. Let's check out the percentages on these. See if we can get a 3 for 3 tomorrow. Find us at www.elitetradinglive.com or our YouTube channel. If you're on the Facebook right now, come to the YouTube channel, Elite Trading, and please give us that subscribe, hit that like button, hit that ding, hit that bell so you get notified when we're coming on. And we're going to keep growing for you on this. This newsletter is going to be a rolling newsletter. We're going to have it. So you have the morning brew yesterday, algo trading and quantum computing. We have the ET morning brew for today, agriculture, future of farming. And we're going to continue this letter. It's going to go throughout the whole week. So we're going to have volume from 1 through 5 will be done at this week, and then we'll send that out to you. We even, if you want, if you're a great supporter, you've been here a long time, why not print this bad boy out and I'll frame it for you. I'm going to frame my own, but I think you should print one out and frame it and say, you know what? I was a part of this stuff when it was very beginning, and when they switched over from the old newsletter, you saw the new stuff coming in. This is the new. Let's get with the new. Let's learn together. Let's grow and stay in the green, my friends, and keep following us. Please keep growing with us. Drop your comments in there. The community doesn't grow without you. It's boring in here by myself. I'd love to have someone come on the show. If you're a trader and you sit at home and you're free during these times, get on the show and talk to us. Reach out to us if you want to come on here and talk your stock. If you have a stock you want to pitch on our show, let me know and we'll get you on. All you have to do is reach out to Kaylor at elitetradinglive.com. That's Kaylor at elitetradinglive.com. See you guys. Stay soon. If you guys are keep watching, sorry, I kind of did this ending here thinking that I was going to jump off, but I do want to get you guys over to the charts for a little bit. Let's check out these charts. Why not? All right, so yesterday you had that big sell-off on Tesla. Not a big sell-off, but a 4 to 5% sell-off. And then, pre-market down to $2.34. Sorry, $2.34%. I always mess up when I'm doing percents and dollars. So it's down $2.20, down 0.34%. Yesterday down 3.4% at 25.15. And it's hanging in here in this weird, crazy range. You got 780 to the upside for the high target. Next low support level that I see is 665. We have short-term support right here. So short-term support right around that 700 level. So if you break 700, watch out for the downside if you break 700. If you can maintain support here, watch out for 738 for your next target for resistance. Possibly below that, if it doesn't get all the way through to the 738, you'll possibly see some resistance right around here at 723.78. So that's what I'm looking at for Tesla. SPY, let's rip through the SPY chart. I spy with my little eye that this thing is going to keep on dropping to at least 411. Target for the day 411 for SPY, in my opinion. Let's look at that one I gave you a trade ID on. Oh, hey, watch out. Watch out, here I come. Land. All right, Land. What are you doing to us? You're doing good stuff. Good volume coming in here at the close of this week. We have $13.55 last year at the end of the year, so it's almost doubled in the last year, or since last year. Big jump, big jump, big jump. Wait for a little bit of a pullback and then pop, pop, pop. Let's see if it keeps going. Don't come in buying stocks at the highs, all-time highs. Remember, we don't do that here at Elite Trading. We buy stocks at a good price, at a value. RAD. Sell the rip on this bad boy is what they're saying. They gave you 71 cents. They take two back away from you. Take one step or two steps forward. Take a half a step back. Not so bad, but not like in this chart. Zoom. Looking like it's catching some support here on the daily, so I'll be watching Zoom for an upside target. You have 588, 484, 427, 381 on the ET planks, and then we're looking at 324 down here. So watching Zoom, using Zoom. Don't pay for it though, so not really sure where they're making all that money, but Dave and Buster's, they're out there playing video games, I guess, my friends. They are just clicking and punching buttons all day long, getting the COVIDs and passing on all these diseases every day, all day at Dave and Buster's. Haven't been in one since the pandemic started. Not sure how many people are actually going there, but for some reason, this stock just wants to keep on moving. Let's go to X, check a look at the steels. The wheels of steel. I like X. I'm going to probably be a buyer of X on this pullback. I am. Ugly chart. Cans getting beat. Beat down, beat down, beat down. KO. There you go. Now that's a chart you want to buy into, in my opinion. KO on the Bulls list. Let's check these out tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. I love having you guys here with me. Thank you for joining us. Drop your comments below. Let us know what you think of this market. Let us know what you're thinking, period. Say hi. Say hello. Show us you're alive. Show us that you're supporting us, the team. We appreciate you. Hit that subscribe button. Stay in the green, my friends. Stay blessed. And I'll talk to you